Hello everybody. Alright, this is the manncorp 384V2 dual head pick and place machine that I'm using to build the smoothieboard V2 right now. And as you can see, I don't have nearly enough feeders. There's about 60 distinct parts on this board on the top, and I have feeders for less than 30. Hypothetically, this thing can have 32 on each bay. Well, the machine can have 4 bays, one on each side, so it can have up to 128 feeders. But the problem is these autotronic feeders that they use are a little bit hard to find and also kind of expensive for what they are. manncorp wanted $32,000 to add one more bay of feeders of 8mm half step all the way across. So that was out of my price range, but I debated it, and then I came across a way to mod potentially that I'm working on right now. But this is some points that I wanted to point out of things that I needed to do in my design. So these feeders have a spacing of 40mm between the openings, so that allows you to do things with the heads like dual pick. Now I'm going to start up this machine and have it run, and you'll be able to see it do the fiducials and start placing and some of the dual pick in motion. This is at 60% speed running on this program. So right now it's doing its nozzle change, and as you can see, it just did a dual pick there with 2 places. So it simultaneously pairs these feeders and allows it to go a lot faster that way. So in order to modify this with some feeders that aren't intended to go on here, I need to ensure that I can set up a 40mm spacing with pairs. This is going to take a little bit of work. Luckily for me, some people in the open pick and place community did a whole bunch of prior work on hacking the feeders and getting the commands for the Siemens feeders that I'm going to use on this machine, which are triple lane 3x8mm. I'm going to put 10 of them in the back and wire them in using a G-code translator, potentially, is the plan. So hopefully, as long as all this works, this is what I'll be doing, and more updates to come.